Before I became a lawyer, I'm not sure I ever heard of the term causality or causal connection. It's certainly a commonsensical concept, but its emphasis can't be underestimated in the legal context. The word causality means exactly what you would expect. Is there a cause? Is there a cause and effect? That sort of thing. And what we face in personal injury law, in accident law, in representing victims, is whether the injuries have causally flowed from the accident. There must be a causal connection. Not casual, but causal, C-A-U-S-A-L. Without a causal connection, as you might expect, the law will not allow for compensation because there has to be that relationship. Similarly, the negligence in most personal injury cases are cases where you allege negligence on the part of the defendant, on the part of the person or entity being sued. Was the negligence a legal or proximate cause of the accident? That too embraces the notion of causal connection. And in fact, now I'm talking about liability in the causal requirement to the injury. That is so important that it is the second question in a jury verdict slip, typically. The first question is, was the defendant XYZ negligent? The second question was the defendant's negligence a proximate or legal cause of the accident? It may seem that if one occurs, the second will occur, but that is not necessarily so, and the court explicitly wants the jury to address causality. And again, that is in the concept of causal connection of the negligence to the injury. I started in the blog today by talking about the necessary causal connection between the injury and the accident, but there is also that requirement of causal connection of negligence to how the accident happened. So you face causality in both respects, and its emphasis, as I say, cannot be minimized. It's something the plaintiff must prove to establish liability and to establish the full measure of damages. So please keep that in mind when you review your own medical records that come from an accident. And please keep that in mind when you review the facts of how you got hurt. Thank you.